Hey everybody, it's Connor and
Michael!
And we're from
Bullion Now! And it all went quiet. BullionNow.com.au, bringing you the best bullion bars and coins, shipped everywhere, all over the place, right here from Victoria.
Now, what are we known for when it comes to videos?
I was going to say, I got called a bogan this week in store, so I'm wondering if that's what we're known for.
No, I was trying to allude to unboxings, but sure.
We are known for our epically epic unboxings.
And this is one of the epicest of epics.
Well, it's certainly right up there. So this is one that people have been asking us for a while. So finally, Perth Mint have released the Kilo Koala for 2022, and it is right here.
And also, while we're here, I'd like to give a bit of a plug. If you were in our live stream today, you got to see an unboxing of this early. So tune into those live streams to get those extra benefits.
Yes, absolutely. So it looks like that Perth Mint is only doing one run of the Kilo Koala this year. So I know I seem to be saying this quite often, but I don't think we're going to get any more. We got allocated 250 of them, or thereabouts. Once they're gone, I'm not holding my breath on more. Alrighty, so there is the Kilo Koala. So same design as what you've seen on the 1 ounce. I don't know if I'm getting your glare there or not. But which I love the design. The old half asleep or totally asleep koala stretched out on the branch. I think it's very realistic. But the Kilo coin, and it's one of the reasons I love the larger coins, is it gives you that larger planchet, that larger face to actually bring out the detail. And you can see, like, if you can get close enough, you can actually see the fur on the contours of the fur on the koala itself, and the fat roll lines, which I can very clearly vouch for. But also you can get the detail on the leaves. You can see the veins running through the leaves and things like that, and the roughness of the branch, etc., etc. So it's great for that detail. It's great for that centerpiece, if you like, of your display, because it is that big enough face to actually show that incredible detail of the coin that the designers spend many hours developing. So yeah, they are now in stock. I would say they're at a bargain price, but of course I'm trying to sell them, so of course I'd say that. But even still, buying a Kilo coin for near enough to about that $1,040 mark, I think, and I'm dating this video by saying it, but yeah, with where spot is at the moment, you're paying that, what's that, probably about the $200. No, it wouldn't be. It'd be $100 above spot, 100 and a bit above spot in Australian dollar terms. For a Kilo coin, I think is an absolute screaming bargain. So we've only got 250. I'm not anticipating getting any more. So grab them while you can.
Well, thanks for showing us that one there, Michael, and we will see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See ya.